Okay, so this is on the Andux Land balisong. I got the black version, excuse me, and it has G10 scales that got scratched up a bit from me dropping it on concrete. I got this about 9-10 months ago, and yeah, it's a decent knife. Wouldn't say it's the best, but for a beginner, it's pretty decent. It's made out of sandwich construction. It has bearings instead of washers. It did come with a latch, but I took off the latch because it just, I think if I remember correctly, it was a spring latch, but don't quote me on that. But it is, like I said, sandwich construction. The blade looks pretty cool. I mean, sort of weird looking, lopsided, but overall, it's okay. And, yeah, it has, screws right there to keep the G10 in place. I lost a screw flipping it. Also, I lost, this screw on the safe handle, and I do not remember how. Well, of course I was flipping, but I don't remember what trick and whatnot. But yeah, I lost it. I took it apart, and then I found a new screw that could replace it. So yeah, and overall it's a decent beginner's knife, but trainer, excuse me. And if I was a beginner, which I was at the time that I got this, then I would recommend it. And I'm sorry if you can hear my guinea pigs in the background. I have two of them, but yeah. So that's about it for this review. It was sort of a crappy review, but the screws run on T10. At least that's what I use, and it perfectly is good. The handle play, it's decent compared to some of them. The tap is, there's a lot of it. The poop. That's how, like, and I just tightened this just like not even a few minutes ago, and this runs better than a $90 knife than I have. But yeah, it's okay for the price, which was like 25 bucks, which is okay for what it is. I mean, I like it, and if I would highly recommend to get this, is what I'm trying to say. Yeah, but I'm just using rubber bands to keep me from knowing the bite handle and safe handle. But it's pretty light compared to, like, most of my knives, which are like Squid Mako, Squiddy, the BB Barfly, and some other random Amazon knife. But yeah, if you are a beginner, I would highly recommend this knife. If you're just trying to, like, get into the flipping, then I would, instead of spending like 50 or 90 bucks into something you might not like. But yeah, overall this trainer is decent, and I enjoy it, and again, I would recommend it. So yeah, thank you for watching, and yeah.